there! Welcome back to the classroom. Let's put little Vacay in your day. Today's Q&A comes from Tracy in Rhode Island. Tracy says, "Hi Miss Kears." Hi Tracy. After reading the lesson on clutter, I took a hard look around my house. I've never thought it was cluttered because it was clean, but on closer inspection, it's clean clutter. Every drawer, closet, cabinet, nook, and cranny are full. And like the text says, I'm committing time and energy to keeping all this stuff clean and organized. How do I determine what is worth keeping and what to let go? Well, Tracy, congratulations on admitting there is a problem. The first step to resolving that problem is to do some recon and review. So when I say recon, I'm talking about things that you maybe don't handle on a daily basis. Things that have been sitting there for a long time. Why exactly are you holding on to those? If it's something that someone gave you and you just don't want to hurt their feelings, do yourself a favor. Save the time and energy that you're committing to that object and go ahead and get rid of it. But again, if it's something that's sentimental or something that's useful, just not in everyday life, then in that case, we need to sort and store. For instance, we live in Florida and I have several pair of boots. I only have about a 3-month window to wear those boots, but I'm not going to get rid of those boots because I wear them in the wintertime. Therefore, I have a special place designated in the back of my closet where I keep my boots, and when it's wintertime, I pull them out, wear them, and store them back in the spring. So just find a place in your house for these things that may be seasonal or maybe that you just don't use all the time, but you would miss them if you got rid of them. And the third step in the process is to discard your discard pile immediately, because the longer it sits there, the more you will second guess yourself as to whether or not that stuff might be useful or whether or not you should get rid of it at all. So once you've made that decision, it's time to get rid of that stuff. So whether it goes to the trash or to the thrift store or to another family member, wherever it needs to go, this mission is not complete until it gets there. So remember, take a hard look around your house. First, recon and review. Do some reconnaissance. Look around. Figure out what's there that maybe you need to reevaluate. From there, we need to sort and store. So the things that we're keeping, if we don't use them on a daily basis, we need to figure out where they go and put them there. After that, let's discard immediately. So again, that discard pile needs to be distributed immediately. Okay, Tracy, I hope this helps. Drop me a comment in the box below and let me know how it goes. And if you have any further questions, just leave them there and I'll either come back to you with a comment or another video. See you later.